Okay, so we'll go to the move on to the third page. So here is your third page. See? Okay. Now you can see there is more conversation between the rat and the pencil. Alright? Now we'll read it. I'll read the whole page first for you with my expressions and then I'll say the meanings. Alright? Okay. So first, when after pencil said something, now the rat replies, चूहे replies back that मैं तुम्हें कुतरूंगा, मुझे अपने दांत पहने और छोटे रखने हैं, इसीलिए कुछ न कुछ कुतरना पड़ता है. Okay. So the pencil replies, उफ, मुझे दर्द हो रहा है, मुझे एक आखिरी चित्र बना लेने दो, फिर तुम जो चाहे करना. ठीक है, तुम चित्र बना लो, फिर मैं तुम्हें चबाकर तुम्हारे टुकड़े टुकड़े कर दूंगा. Alright? So this is also easy. I'll get into the meanings. मैं तुम्हें कुतरूंगा. Okay, you know what rats do, right? You know, at home when the rats bite something in our home, it always nibbles or bites small pieces and leaves it there. Kutrunga means nibbling, or like small bite. It takes small bites and it litters everywhere. It's the meaning of kutrunga. मैं तुम्हें कुतरूंगा. Okay, I will nibble you, or it will take those small bites. मुझे अपने दांत पहने. Okay, the rat says I want to. दांत is my teeth. Okay, and pehne, to sharpen my teeth. Rats have to eat lots of raw things, so it has to sharpen their teeth. So he says मुझे अपने दांत पहने हैं और छोटे रखना है, and it has to keep it small because it has to bite lots of things. It doesn't get cooked food like us, right? It gets raw food, so it has to bite on lots of different things. Okay, so he says मुझे अपने दांत पहने, it has to keep his teeth sharp और छोटे रखने हैं, and it has to keep it small. तो इसीलिए, so for that, इसीलिए means for that, कुछ न कुछ कुतरना पड़ते हैं. I have to eat something or the other. See, इसीलिए, for that, something or the other कुतरना पड़ेगा. कुतरना is I have to nibble or bite, keep on biting. पड़ता है, I have to keep on biting. Alright? Now it's an exchange between them. Okay? उफ, मुझे दर्द हो रहा है. Who would say this, right? It is the pencil who's saying, because the rat is biting. So उफ, मुझे दर्द हो रहा है. Uf is he's showing his pain. Okay, मुझे दर्द हो रहा है. It's paining for me. Okay, for me दर्द is pain. Okay, दर्द हो रहा है. It's paining for me. दर्द is pain. मुझे एक आखिरी चित्र बना लेने दो. मुझे एक आखिरी, one final चित्र, for drawing. Okay, चित्र means is to draw. चित्र बनाना is to draw, or to make an it's to drawing itself, because it's pencil. बना लेने दो. Please let me make one last picture. Okay, मुझे एक आखिरी चित्र बना लेने दो. आखिरी means is final. एक one चित्र is to make a photo or to draw. बना लेने दो. Okay, चित्र is drawing. Okay, बना लेने दो. Please please help me. मुझे एक आखिरी चित्र. Please let me make one last drawing. Okay, फिर तुम जो चाहो करना. Then you do whatever you want. Okay, फिर after that you जो चाहे करना. You can do whatever you want. जो चाहे, whatever you want करना, you can do whatever you want. Okay, so the चूहा replies back, ठीक है, तुम चित्र बना लो. Okay, चूहा replies back that ठीक है, it's okay, you can make the drawing. फिर मैं तुम्हें चबाकर तुम्हारे टुकड़े टुकड़े कर दूंगा. फिर मैं तुम्हें, after that, मैं तुम्हें, I'll catch you and तुम्हारे टुकड़ा टुकड़ा कर दूंगा. I'll make you piece and piece. Like even when we have fights and all, we'll say in Hindi that मैं तुम्हें टुकड़ा टुकड़ा कर दूंगा. See, टुकड़ा, I'll make you pieces and pieces. मैं कर दूंगा. टुकड़ा टुकड़ा is piece and piece. मैं कर दूंगा. Okay? So that was this page. I hope you understood the page. Okay? Now alright, we are moving to the next page. Fourth page. Alright? Now we are only taking 4 pages. Now, so that the rat gave the pencil permission to draw, the pencil started drawing. You know, the pencil said, no, pencil what he did, pencil ने एक ठंडी सांस ली और एक बड़ा सा गोला बना दिया. So the rat asks, यह क्या है? पनीर का टुकड़ा हो है? Now the conversation leading. So the pencil replies, ठीक है, हम इसे पनीर ही कहेंगे. पेंसिल ने बड़े गोले के अंदर 3 छोटे गोले बना दिया. एंड नाउ द रैट रिप्लाइज, हाँ अब यह पनीर ही लग रहा है. पेंसिल ने बड़े गोले के नीचे एक और बड़ा गोला बनाया. Alright, sorry, it's not the rat, it's the pencil itself in the whole conversation. Alright, now I'll say the meanings. Okay, so before starting to draw, you know what the pencil did? पेंसिल ने ठंडी सांस ली. पेंसिल took a strong cold breath. पेंसिल ने ठंडी सांस, ठंडी is cold, सांस is breath, ली. It took a cold breath. It's like before starting something we'll be like, see, एक बड़ा सा गोला बना दिया. After taking that strong breath, it made a bada sa gola. It made a big round. Gola is big, round. Okay, bada sa gola, big. Gola is round. So pencil made a drawing of big round. Bana diya. Alright. So the chooha asks. You can see there the chooha is asking. See, you can see that the chooha is asking. Yeh kya? Paneer ka tukda hai? What is this? Yeh kya? Paneer, you know what paneer is? That, you know, white cubes our mothers put in curry, paneer curry and all. Okay, paneer ka tukda hai. Is this a piece of paneer? Is this a piece of paneer? Paneer ka tukda we know it's a piece. Is this a piece of paneer? You know, it makes fun. Okay, now the pencil replies. You know, pencil looked at and said, ठीक है, हम इसे पनीर ही कहेंगे. Now we can call it पनीर itself. ठीक है, it's okay. Okay, हम इसे पनीर ही कहेंगे. We'll call this पनीर itself. You know, because the rat made fun of them. Now the pencil says, ठीक है, हम इसे पनीर ही कहेंगे. We'll call this पनीर itself. Alright. पेंसिल ने बड़े गोले के अंदर 3 छोटे गोले बना दिया. You know, pencil after that, you know, he at first he draw a big round. Okay, after that he drew 3 small rounds. गोले, 3 छोटे गोले, 3 small rounds बना दिया. Where अंदर बड़े गोले. So pencil ने बड़े गोले के अंदर, pencil inside the big round drew 3 small rounds. Okay, pencil ने बड़े गोले, pencil बड़े गोले is big round के अंदर, inside, अंदर is inside, 3 छोटे, 3 small गोले, rounds, okay, बना दिया और circles बना दिया. हाँ, अब यह पनीर ही लग रहा है. So the pencil says, okay, हाँ, अब यह पनीर ही लग रहा है. See, now it looks like पनीर itself. Okay, यह अब now यह this looks like पनीर ही लग रहा है, looks like पनीर itself. Okay, पेंसिल ने बड़े गोले के नीचे एक और बड़ा गोला बनाया. Okay, pencil drew one more circle below that big circle. Okay, now there's 2 circles. Now you can see in the picture there. You can see the picture there. Now there's two circles. One circle has three small circles inside that, and there's one more circle below that first big circle. See, now there's two circles. So that is going to be your first part. Okay, this is the first part. We have more in this story, but I'm not giving you full. This is a big story. All right. So I hope you understood. If you have any doubts, you can say that. Now all I want you to do for this chapter is to write just the meanings of the tough words you think is. I'll give you the meanings. I just want you to write down the notes and just a summary, whatever it's a small summary of what you understood till this part. That's all. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you.